I heard a lot about Notion and I downloaded it a few days ago. Let me open the Notion. Think it, make it. Log into your Notion account. Okay, continue with Google. Let me log in first. Introducing Notion calendar. Nah, I don't want that. First of all, it's very laggy. Down there, I have a three option. I can search for something. I think ask AI anything. Getting started on mobile. Could not fetch notifications, and here I can create maybe notes. Let's go to home page first. What the heck, how did it get here? I got this example. I have a quick note, personal home. What is this? How do I make a new note? I think I have to click here. Let's say this is the note for my games. Let me write anything. Here I have a lot of things that I can do. This is AI. I don't wanna do that. I also have this where I can put a lot of things. There are a lot of things. What is this? Okay, I can bold. If I write hello, it is not bold. It is not working. Am I doing something wrong? I think I'm doing something wrong. At least I can change color. That's good. I can underline, line through. That's good. What is this? Is it button? I don't know what it did, but something I guess. We have a lot of option here, right? What does this does? I can ask AI delete something, duplicate, turn into what? Oh, there are a lot of options. Background colors. This looks good. So I can make number list. Okay, let's say I wanna name fruits apple. Oh, it works. Banana, mango. Okay, I can make list. That's good. I can have heading new start. I got divider. Oh, that's I really like this divider. I always wanted something like this in every note app. What I used to do is this. Yeah. So I really like this divider thing. There are a lot of other things. Let's see. I can insert media into it, image, video, audio, even code. That's amazing. There are table view, board view, gallery. I can add calendar, horizontal bar, vertical bar, line chart, database. There are a lot of things. Let me try to add. Can I add table? What is this? I accidentally quit and my note has not saved. Are you kidding me? No, it did. Actually, it is here. Let's see what else I got here. There are a lot of things that I don't know how to use. What is this? Embeds. Oh, I can put some kind of links or something like that. Maybe GitHub. There are a lot of options. Oh, there it is. A table. I want this. Let's make it a serial number. Make it a fruits. What is this? One, two, apple, banana. How do I add one more? There is option duplicate, I think. Nah, this is duplicated the whole thing. No, I don't want that. Can I delete this? Okay, duplicate. Oh, I get it. I think I get it. So I have to go select anyone and then I have to click this button or something like that. It will select the whole line, whole row. Then I can just duplicate it. But how do I edit these numbers into the order? Is there a way to edit these into a order? I don't think there is. Okay, I can create tables, I think. That's good. Can I make a vertical column? Can I duplicate this? Can I duplicate? Oh, I can add more. That's amazing. I really like this because I always wanted something to make tables in my mobile, but I didn't have anything good. But I can make tables in this. What else is there? I can add mention person, page, date. I can do that. That's great. What does this do? Add a comment. Hello, this is a comment. Okay, there is a comment. I can click here and look at this. Nice. That's amazing. So there is a plus plan too. One member limit, upgrade to plus, unlimited file upload, 30-day page history. What do you mean 30-day page history? View data with charts, site customization, 12,000 rupees per year for 1200 rupees per month. I am not paying that much for just an note app, because I think you can use Notion for professional work too, but I just take basic notes and basic things, so I don't think I need this. What is this editing thing? By the way, I did not make this, it's spawn like this. I have inbox. There are a lot of feature, but I think for my device, for mobile, it's really heavy. These feature are not optimized for mobile users. I think I will not bother with it. I think it's a great note app for me. I think it is a great app for taking normal notes, but doing something advanced in mobile is really hard. So I would suggest a PC version of Notion. I think that will work good for professional work. All that aside is a pretty good app.